Every time we start, when we come into an estate, we're generally the first builder in there. And by the time that we are landscaping, the houses next door are just getting concrete slabs down and frames down. And everywhere I've been, it's the same. We come in, we knock out these quality places, and the clients are living in it before everybody else has even started building.
Depending on which house, we've got a slab pour on one of the newer ones today. A bunch of houses getting sort of fit off and dealing with defects and whatnot. There's one that should hopefully have getting finished on the external. We'll go and check out pretty much all the jobs at the quarry. I want to do a quick check up and maybe just put a few dots out. We've got a few trades coming out to meet me at top section of the estate. I've got pretty good trades that I know will do a good job, so as long as they're pretty much there, it'll sort of keep moving. Yeah, can we cut the top of that off? Yeah. So just cut it a bit lower than that and just slap a bit of FC on there. I'll paint that too. You can't fix it anything if you got the capping on there.
I was going to do just straight over the top and then figure out a way to get the 31 by 31 into it individually.
It needs to be just look normal. It needs to be top, bottom.
This is one of our houses that has just been, all the exterior up top has been finished, it's been painted. I've been waiting on a bit of flashing that covers this front parapet section. Now that that's done, I've had the windows cleaned and we've got scaffold coming down tomorrow, which is exciting.
Everything here in Oxley seems to be running reasonably smooth this morning. I'll pretty much just be on here ticking everything off, saying that's all running to schedule for the rest of the day. Checking on future schedules, making sure everything's sort of booked in right, and going to continue to keep working.
Most of our jobs now in the quarry have reached fixing stage. We've got the painters coming in, so I know I can book everything from fixing up to PC. So with 7 or 8 jobs, could be here all afternoon.
At the end of the day, when you stand back and look at the build times that we do for the quality that we're pumping out, the quality stands out, and the speed that we're getting these things done at is half of the amount of time of what a lot of the other builders are completing these homes.
What's the difference in building luxury compared to like our standard traditional?
It's art with a very precise process. The care and the eye for detail, the problem solving and the solutions. When it comes to doing these sorts of builds, we are ensuring that we are delivering the best product that we possibly can for our clients. I mean, when I first started with Gallery, it was a bit of a shock going, wow, okay, this is very fast paced and quick. But after settling in, it just feels normal.
I mean, it is fun. This is probably the fun bit, chasing stuff like that.
Yeah, you know, that is good.
Imagine
good
Jesse
fun.
being the face of the 5th biggest builder
Imagine that.
in the country.
Good face. So we've just got some revisions on some drawings that we got. So I went and picked these up yesterday afternoon. All this area here is all going to be done via formwork, and then the rest back up on this part is all going to be slab on ground. Once I got up out of that structure, it'll all just be going to get all the finishes done and try and get it smacked over. This wall here that I thought was like a step going up to there, it's actually continuing the whole way through here. So
we'll just get rid of the whole thing.
Yeah, I think so. That'll make it easy because we've got all that wall and the footing that actually runs out on the back side of this. Once this is gone, that footing runs out 2 meters from here for that length of that wall, and it's 250 mil thick with a strip footing underneath it.
Just going through the third-party inspection reports for each of these homes. So just a defect list that I'll work through and allocate the trades come rectify their work. So I'm just going to punch through a few of these, send them emails and contact the trades and make sure these defects get completed.
Going back to why we can build ours so much quicker than the rest. Our is so good and so efficient with before it comes to site. We've already got it sorted. We've got it planned, and by the time we hit the ground, we've pretty much got a frame up. Like, it's crazy.
First of all, welcome all the new guys, and hope you're all settling in well. Well done to the guys that went above and beyond, and I'm sure there was some creative photography out there. So please, I implore you to, at the start of each month, Brett will run the report whether you're ready or not, and that will be your budget.
The most important thing is last month, so massive well done. Ooh. Massive target. Yeah, well done guys.
I enjoy the rush of when it's all going, like all the moving parts at once, like just when things don't seem like they're flowing and you can just make it all work.
We don't have to wait till the end of the build to kind of get that sense of achievement. We have our little wins during the build, so end of month is obviously a fun game we all play.
Yes.
Like, it's good fun. So, you know, we get like little senses of achievement every month, really.
Yeah, definitely.
Every week.
Every day.
Every hour.
Every waking minute.